In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in WordPress without using a plugin. Whether you're looking to create a consistent layout across multiple pages or simply wish to save time, duplicating a page can be incredibly helpful. Now, let's dive right in and get started with this simple process. First and foremost, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for everything on your website, from creating new posts and pages to tweaking your theme's appearance. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate over to the menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Pages. Clicking this will take you to a list of all the pages currently existing on your website. Now, take a moment to locate the page you intend to duplicate. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over the page title. You'll notice a set of options appear beneath the title. Click on Edit to open up the full editing view of that specific page. This is where you can make changes to the content, layout, and settings of the page. Next, while in the editing screen, switch from the default visual mode to the text mode. This is crucial because it allows you to see the underlying HTML and shortcodes for the page. Copy all of the text you see in this mode. You can do this by highlighting all the text and pressing Ctrl+C on a Windows computer or Command+C on a Mac. Once you've successfully copied the text, head back to the Pages section in your WordPress dashboard. It's time to create a new page, so click on the Add New button, which you'll find at the top of the screen. This will open a blank page where you can input the HTML and shortcodes you copied earlier. In the new page editor, again switch from the visual mode to the text mode. Paste all the content you previously copied into this new page by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. This action will essentially replicate the content and layout from the original page into your new page. With the content duplicated, don't forget to consider renaming the page. This helps in differentiating it from the original and provides a clear understanding of what this new page is for. Once you've provided a suitable name, give your page a quick review in visual mode to ensure everything looks as expected. Finally, when you're satisfied with the new page's content and layout, go ahead and hit the Publish button. After publishing, you can make necessary tweaks at any time. Remember, while this method requires a bit more manual effort compared to using a plugin, it's an effective way to duplicate pages without adding extra tools to your site. And there you have it, a straightforward way to duplicate a page in WordPress without relying on plugins. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.